Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. In this episode, we're gonna make dessert. I think for the first time, yes. It's my favorite dessert. It's dead easy. It's sabayon. Depending on where you read, it's French or Italian. I like to think it's Italian. So if you wanna see how we make sabayon, stay tuned, but also don't forget to click subscribe. Well, it will show you up there that you should click it, but you have to click it down there. And if you want to be updated on new content, then click the bell icon as well. So what do we need? We need sugar, wine, and egg yolks. I have them in the fridge. I'm only making a 2-portion batch. Per person, you could calculate, for the recipe, you could calculate per person 1 egg yolk, 36 grams of sugar, and let me think, and 40 milliliters of wine. So 1 yolk, 36 grams of sugar, and 40 milliliters of wine. And the wine is classically in the Italian sabayon is either Marsala or Moscato d'Asti. And I prefer the one with Moscato d'Asti, it's a bit fruitier. So I will get mixing. We'll first do the egg yolks and the sugar together. And from my experience, it's easier if you kind of whisk the yolks and the sugar into a pale batter before you start. I'll try to show you here. So that kind of color. And a little bit of the wine, the rest we'll put in later. So now we'll move over to the stove and put it in the bain-marie. So here's the bain-marie. I have a kind of all-in-one bain-marie. I'll cut in a picture of it. Have one of these. Then you just basically put this on top of warm water. Well, not this in terms of plastic, but a bowl. If you don't have a bain-marie pot, just make a pot of water, warm water, and maybe you have a steel bowl like this that you can put on top. I'll pour it in. I'll pour the rest of the wine in there to kind of get everything out. So, there we are. And now it's that simple. All you have to do is whisk. But never stop whisking. Because the danger is you'll end up making scrambled eggs. So I'll whisk this now for 3 minutes or so, and we'll cut to when I'm done. Now we've reached the right consistency. It needs to be quite creamy and fluffy. We'll move away from the stove again. So I will just prepare the 2 serving bowls. You can pretty much put whatever you want in these bowls. Some people like vanilla ice cream. I like it pure. You can put raspberries, strawberries, whatever. My wife loves figs, fresh figs. So for her, I will cut the fig into it. 2 in the bottom. Put there. And now we pour over the sabayon. It's pretty amazing what a little bit of heat does to eggs. And it's exactly the same principle as a hollandaise or a put these two on top here. And I will for sure try mine. As you can see, it's dead easy. The only thing you can't forget is that you need to keep mixing or whisking once it's on the heat, because otherwise you might end up with scrambled eggs. It's so fruity if you use Moscato d'Asti. If you use Marsala, it's basically just sweet. There's a little bit of a wine taste, but if you use Moscato d'Asti, it's really fruity. You can taste the grapes. Let's see if I can convince my wife to come join us. Simone? I think she's joining. She doesn't know we're filming yet, but that's her portion there. Try it.
Very good.
Good?
I'd say it's beautiful.
My wife likes to make fun of me when I say that something is beautiful or tastes beautiful. But this really is beautiful. And not only is it beautiful, it's easy. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try it yourself. I hope you like it as much as we do. And stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.